On January 15th, Jim Cramer talked about 5G having the momentum now to start investing in this technology. In this video, he talks about T-Mobile, Crown Castle, a cellular tower company, and Apple with their new iPhone 12 5G enabled phone. He covers a wide range of 5G potential investing opportunities, and this was intriguing. Since then, I've seen a number of people talking about different 5G companies to invest in, but I haven't seen anyone make the connection between 5G and the possible future of 5G. In this video, I will go over an investing opportunity that can surpass the current 5G investment selections. I will be talking about a SPAC that is currently trading at a great price and has the potential for huge returns in the next 5 years. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. In December of 2020, AST SpaceMobile, in partnership with Vodafone Group, announced their plans to launch the first phase of its space-based commercial mobile communication service in 2023. This agreement is based on a 50-50 revenue share business model. The deal also secured $230 million in private placement investment. SpaceMobile will operate as a wholesaler of its services, selling it to network operators like Vodafone and others. Vodafone is a telecommunications company in Europe and Africa, which is currently the largest mobile and fixed network operator in Europe and a leading global IoT connectivity provider. AST SpaceMobile is a next-generation satellite broadband specialist which is poised to become the world's first and only space-based cellular broadband network. The expectation is to begin delivering commercial services to customers starting 2023. AST SpaceMobile would be the first service of its kind to connect standard mobile phones at 4G and 5G speeds using AST SpaceMobile's pan-space-based network with any need for specialized hardware. In theory, aside from transforming the network coverage for the 49 largest countries and the equatorial regions, this solution could enable instant communications in the event of a natural or humanitarian disaster. What we are doing is launching a space-based satellite network that allows any phone with any modifications of hardware, software, apps, nothing to be able to connect directly to satellites, AST chairman and CEO Abel Avalon told CNBC in an article published back in December of 2020, also noting that this will support true 5G broadband speed. According to the press release from December, traditional satellite systems require expensive specialized satellite phones or ground antenna systems, which is different to AST SpaceMobile's PAN technology, where all that is needed is a phone in your pocket. This is a significant breakthrough in helping to bring affordable mobile connectivity to more than half of the world's population that do not have internet on their phone, along with filling in coverage gaps for those that do. Abel Avalon, chairman and chief executive officer of AST Mobile, said, "Our high-speed, low-latency platform represents the world's first venture aimed at massively closing the digital divide by bringing affordable and accessible connectivity to the regions that need it the most. We believe our game-changing solution will serve to drive universal and global connectivity, allowing societies to utilize digital technology to gain greater access to knowledge and information." At the end of last year, AST SpaceMobile announced that it entered into a business combination agreement with New Province Acquisition Corp., noting that upon closing of the transaction, AST SpaceMobile will become a publicly traded company, and it is expected that its common stock will be listed on the Nasdaq exchange under the symbol ASTS. New Province Acquisition Corp., NPA, is a $230 million publicly traded special purpose acquisition company. SpaceMobile plans to launch a network, or a constellation, of satellites designed to deliver broadband from space directly to consumer smartphones. This is a unique twist on the market since there's a wide range of other companies like OneWeb, SpaceX, Swarm Technologies, and Telesat that are looking to offer fast satellite-based communications, though they are planning to connect to specialized receivers and not existing smartphones. This technology would essentially eliminate all of the dead zones from a cellular provider, one of its customers being AT&T. Current users would not have to purchase a new phone to take advantage of SpaceMobile services. Back in a 2020 FCC filing, SpaceMobile stated, The mobile satellite base enhancement would allow essential service to provide where a financial case cannot be made, even with 5G fund support, to deploy expensive terrestrial cell sites and backhaul facilities as a petition to make its service eligible for the 5G fund at that time. This awareness addressed any implications that could slow down efforts for 4G and 5G networks in rural areas, making the case that these hardest to serve areas would also benefit from this exact sort of framework. This is now strictly speculation on my end, but I see this type of technology surpassing our local cellular tower technology. If and when this technology surpasses this cellular tower phase, I can see a transition from old dated cellular towers to all space satellite signals in the decades ahead. This is something that I don't think will happen in a few years but can be a lifetime investment. Right now, AST is still in the development phase, building its SpaceMobile network, also known in the space industry as constellation of satellites. A December 2020 article posted by CNBC projected that the company expects to have $541 million in total capital when it goes public, just more than the $510 million cost it estimates for the first phase, which will provide service in equatorial regions. That includes $259 million to build and launch 20 satellites, $146 million in operating expenses, $30 million to further build out its Texas facility, and $27 million for development of space ground infrastructure. SpaceMobile has also said it expects to a total revenue of $9.7 billion by 2027. Before we take a look at some price targets, let's take a look at one of AST's competitors. The Link company is the leader for this technology and is projecting to be up and running in 2022, sooner than AST Mobile. Link, 2 years ago, the company's engineers essentially solved the two key problems prohibiting satellites from beaming signals directly to smartphones: the Doppler shift and the extended range that causes a time delay. Our technology solves both of those issues so that you can connect to the standard phone in anybody's pocket everywhere, Miller said. For now, Link is at the forefront, but not to say that they will be the best in this industry. Unfortunately, Link is a private company and there is currently no way to invest in it. I'm optimistic about the future of this technology and I see opportunities in both of these companies. Let's take a look at some price targets. The ticker symbol for AST Mobile is NPA. The SPAC has an estimated completion deadline date of March 11th, 2021. We could see a merger very soon. Since the merger announcement, we've seen the stock explode from $10 a share to a high of $25 a share in just about 2 months. This stock was on fire. Now it's pulled back and is trading at $13.84. Based on my technical levels, a great bargain price to buy sits around the $12 mark. Anything close to $12 is a good time to start a position. At these levels, this stock looks great to me. I just opened my new store. If you would like to support this channel, take a look and pick up a t-shirt. Click on the link under the description to go to my store. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.